You know you should invest. But with so many options, where do you even start? The order matters more than you think. Put your money in the wrong place first, and you could lose thousands to taxes, fees, or missed matches. Today, you'll learn the exact 8-step order smart investors use to maximize every dollar. Follow this. Win. Before step 1, commit to consistency. This order only works if you fund each step regularly. Visualize this ladder. You climb it in order. Never skip a step. Never go backward. Step 1. Save 1 month of expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is your financial airbag. Without this, any surprise forces you to sell investments at a loss. Protect your future self first. Maya invested before saving. When her car broke down, she sold low. Don't be Maya. Build the shield first. Build to 3 to 6 months over time. But start with 1. Done is better than perfect. Step 2. Contribute enough to get your employer's 401k match. This is guaranteed 100% return. No investment on earth guarantees doubling your money instantly. Except this. Never leave free money on the table. Vance's rule: if your job offers a match, fund it before anything else. It's the foundation of smart order. Check your vesting schedule. Some matches unlock over time. Stay long enough to earn what's yours. Step 3. Attack any debt over 7% interest. Paying 20% debt is a guaranteed 20% return. Investing while carrying high-interest debt is like filling a bucket with a hole. Plug the hole first. Maya paid off her card first. Now every dollar she invests actually grows. She stopped bleeding to start building. Use the avalanche method, pay minimums on all debts, then attack the highest interest rate first. Math wins. Step 4. Open and fund a Roth IRA. You pay taxes now, but all future growth is tax-free forever. In a taxable account, the government takes a cut of your gains. In a Roth, every dollar of growth is yours. Check Roth income limits. If you earn too much, use a backdoor Roth. The benefit is worth the extra step. Inside your Roth, choose broad, low-cost index funds. Don't overcomplicate. Simple wins long-term. Step 5. After Roth, return to your 401k and max it out. More tax-deferred space accelerates compounding. 401k contributions lower your taxable income now. You pay taxes later, ideally in a lower bracket. Vance's tip: in your 401k, always choose the lowest expense ratio index fund available. Fees silently steal wealth. Step 6. If eligible, max your health savings account. It's the only triple tax advantaged account. Use it wisely. Pay medical costs out of pocket now, save receipts, let your HSA invest and grow. Reimburse yourself decades later. Maya didn't know HSAs could invest. Now she treats hers like a stealth retirement account. Knowledge is power. Step 7. Once tax-advantaged accounts are maxed, use a taxable brokerage for additional investing flexibility. In taxable accounts, choose tax-efficient funds like ETFs. Avoid frequent trading. Let compounding work quietly. Step 8. Only after the first 7, consider real estate or alternatives. Keep it small. Core first, satellites later. This is the order. Emergency. Match. Debt. Roth. 401k max HSA. Taxable. Alternatives. Memorize it. Mistake 1. Investing in a taxable account before getting your employer match. You just left free money behind. Mistake 2. Investing while paying 20% credit card interest. You're losing the math game. Mistake 3. Funding retirement before an emergency fund. One surprise can derail years of progress. Automate each step. Set contributions to hit accounts in this order every payday. Remove decision fatigue. Maya automated her ladder. Now her money flows to the right places without her thinking. Systems beat willpower. Review once a year. Rebalance if needed. Then forget. Overmanaging kills compounding. Got a raise? Allocate the increase across your ladder steps. Never inflate lifestyle before funding your future. Side hustle income? Send it straight to your Roth IRA. Accelerate tax-free growth with every extra dollar. Tax refund? Don't spend it. Use it to fund the next incomplete step on your ladder. Turn windfalls into wealth. Impatience whispers, skip steps, chase hype. But the ladder works because it's boring. Trust the order. Confusion tries to paralyze you. But you have the order. One step at a time. Climb. Vance reminds you, wealth is a marathon. The ladder isn't fast. It's reliable. Reliability beats speed. Your first match hits. Free money, just for showing up. This is why step 2 comes early. Last credit card payment done. No more 20% bleed. Now every dollar works for you, not against you. Roth IRA account open. You just unlocked decades of tax-free growth. That's a legacy move. With the order locked in, your money starts working systematically. Growth isn't flashy. It's consistent. Once a year, rebalance. Sell a little of what's high, buy what's low. Keep your risk on track. Maya finished her ladder. Same order. Same discipline. Different person, same results. You can do this too. Markets dip. Your ladder doesn't care. Auto contributions buy more shares at lower prices. The order protects you. Same dollars. Different order. The ladder sequence extracts every possible advantage from the system. Each account type has a tax superpower. The ladder stacks them. You pay less, keep more, grow faster. The ladder isn't just math. It's psychology. It removes hard choices. You just follow the steps. Following this order doesn't just save taxes. It shaves years off your journey to financial freedom. Surprise expense hits. Your emergency fund covers it. Your investments keep compounding. The order protected both. That free match? It compounds for decades. A few $100s today becomes tens of thousands tomorrow. Once debt is gone, that payment amount now fuels your investments. You just accelerated your wealth building. Roth IRA's tax-free growth pulls ahead over decades. Starting early with Roth is one of the smartest moves you can make. Maxing your 401k isn't just saving. It's buying decades of tax-deferred compounding. That's powerful. HSA grows tax-free while you save receipts. Decades later, you withdraw tax-free for any purpose. It's genius. Taxable accounts offer flexibility before retirement. Use them for goals between now and age 59 and a half. Alternatives can diversify, but keep them small. Your core ladder steps built the foundation. Don't jeopardize it. Once a year, check your ladder. Are all steps funded in order? Adjust contributions. Then go live your life. Lifestyle creep is the enemy. Every dollar spent on status is a dollar not climbing your ladder. Guard your capital. Keep learning. Financial literacy compounds too. The more you know, the better you execute this order. Share this order. Teaching it cements your own understanding. Build a community of disciplined investors. Automate every step. Contributions, investments, rebalancing. Your system runs while you sleep. Financial stress fades. You have a plan. You follow the order. Your money works. You rest. Years later, the curve lifts. Not from luck. From following the order. Consistency plus sequence equals wealth. Your portfolio reflects disciplined order. Tax-advantaged accounts maximized. Taxable for flexibility. Built to last. You live fully now. The ladder runs in the background. Money serves your life, not the other way around. With wealth secured, you give intentionally. Generosity without sacrifice. The ladder enables impact. Vance sees a steward. You didn't just follow steps. You mastered the system. The order works when respected. Inflation rises. Your ladder-optimized portfolio outpaces it. You didn't just survive. You thrived. Teach this order to the next generation. Break the cycle. Start them early. Compound their future. You're back where you started. But now you have the order, the system, the peace. Everything changed. The lesson isn't complex. The order you invest matters more than the amount you start with. Execute the sequence. Emergency. Match. Debt. Roth. 401k max HSA. Taxable. Alternatives. Print this. Follow it. Win. Ignore the noise. Reject shortcuts. Your order is your armor. Follow it daily. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best is today. Begin with step 1. Right now. This channel breaks finance into actionable steps. Subscribe. Join the community that builds wealth systematically. Open a high-yield savings account today. Fund it with 1 month of expenses. That's step 1. Done. Comment which step you're on. Let's track progress together. You're not climbing alone. Find an accountability partner. Share the ladder. Celebrate each step together. Momentum multiplies. Download our free ladder tracker. Visual progress fuels motivation. See your climb. Stay motivated. Celebrate each step. Finished emergency fund? Treat yourself. Small rewards sustain long-term discipline. Life changes. Adjust amounts, not order. The sequence is fixed. The dollars can flex. Stay adaptable. Once your ladder is running, consult a tax pro. Optimize further. But never change the core order. Consider international diversification within your ladder. But keep the order. Geography doesn't change sequence. Rebalance once a year across all accounts. Keep your risk aligned. Then forget. Simplicity sustains. Once your ladder is complete, add a legacy step. Teach. Give. Build beyond yourself. Wealth becomes stewardship. This is your wealth operating system. 8 steps. 1 order. Maximum efficiency. Execute it. Own your future. Finance is complex. Your order doesn't have to be. 8 steps. Follow them. Win. Simplicity scales. You won't execute perfectly. That's okay. Consistency beats perfection. Just keep climbing the ladder. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Open that savings account now. Fund it with $10. Start the ladder today. See others climbing. Share your progress. Momentum builds in community. You inspire. You're inspired. Emergency. Match. Debt. Roth. 401k, HSA. Taxable. Alternatives. This order. Your wealth. Your freedom. If this order helped you, subscribe. Next week, we break down the best index funds for each ladder step. Share this video with someone who needs the order. One share could change their financial trajectory forever. Wealth isn't random. It's ordered. Build your ladder. Climb your steps. See you in the next video.